Welcome to Hncker. We teach ethical hacking and real-world exploits. SQL injection is one of the most dangerous web attacks. Most websites use databases. When you log in, the website asks the database, does this user exist? The problem is, some websites blindly trust whatever you type. An attacker can inject malicious SQL into a form field, and the database executes it. That is SQL injection. Here's how it works. A typical vulnerable login query takes your username and password and sticks them directly into SQL. An attacker types this payload. The database sees this condition, which is always true. It returns every user. Password check bypassed. Full access granted. There are several types of SQL injection. Classic injection is the most common. The attacker closes the query and adds their own. Union-based injection uses union select to pull data from other tables. Blind injection gives no visible output. The attacker asks true or false questions and reads the answer from the page behavior. Time-based blind forces the database to wait. If the response is delayed, the condition was true. Each technique targets a different weakness. This is a normal employee login page. Watch what happens when I type a SQL injection payload. I type admin, then a single quote to close the string. Then, or 1 equals 1. This makes the database condition always true. I type any password and click sign in. And just like that, I am in. The database returned every user. All data exposed. Here's how to stay safe. Use parameterized queries. The database treats user input as data, not code. Also validate inputs. Use a web application firewall. And apply least privilege. For steps that block SQL injection. Your terminal starts here. Hit subscribe.